Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search audiobooks on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and if you want to search different audiobooks, just go to the lower bar at the home screen and click to the discover button. And here you can find about with the title, the author, the genre, and the topic. And if you want to search, for example, a romance audiobook, click that. And go to the upper left corner of the screen, the everything, click to the arrow and just select the audiobooks button. And that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.